Here we're talking about the murder of Morris Black and his death. Yet we're on trial here for the death of Susan Berman. They spent a lot of time doing this reenactment. Do you think that this was appropriate? Do you think that it gets the defense anywhere in terms of what they're looking to defend against in this case? And why do you think that the judge allowed this whole reenactment to play out in his courtroom?
Well, those are a lot of good questions. I mean, the one thing that it's been going through my mind is, look, if he was acquitted in Texas of this murder, I mean, he was found not guilty. He went through a trial, admitted he chopped up this guy's body, dumped it into Galveston Bay. They couldn't find the guy's head, but they found the rest of his body. And yet he went to trial and he was acquitted. So why, in this instance, don't you just have a stipulation as to that fact that, yes, he killed him, but yes, he was acquitted of self-defense, end of story, without this reenactment? But what's also going through my mind is who's laughing? You know, as a trial lawyer, I know, like, if my client's on the stand and they tell something that's legitimate funny and the jury laughs, I feel good. I feel like, hey, the jury's with us. They like my client. In this instance, we hear all this laughter. We're not in the courtroom. Is that the jury laughing about this death? Or is that just people who are watching in the courtroom? And I'd really like to know because, again, as you say, Imran, this is about a man who lost his life and everyone's cracking up about it. It just doesn't seem emotionally congruent with the topic here. And I wonder how that's coming across to the people who are going to decide Robert Durst's fate.